Hello everyone, this printer is Canon PIXMA MG2450. I want to show you how to set this printer up with USB cable, easy method. So go to the back of the printer, connect the cable to this port, connect the USB cable to the USB port, and it's in. Take the other part of the cable, connect it to the laptop, and you will hear a tune. Then go to the laptop start, go to the settings, select printers and scanners, then add a device. Select Canon MG2400 series. This is the printer. The printer is showing us idle. Print test page. Select start printing. Windows printer test page. You have correctly installed your Canon MG2400 series on laptop. Personal USB 008. So this is how to connect the printer and laptop together via a USB cable. If you want to scan document, open scanner settings, open scanner properties, and make sure you can see Canon MG2400 series on the list. The printer is available. So we're going to close this, then open scanner. Open the glass scanner. Stick the document you want to scan face down. Make sure the document starts from the top left side of the printer. Close the cover. Then select printer is found. Select file type. Scroll down to select PDF. Show more. We want to scan this in color. Resolution. The maximum is 600 dpi. 300 selected. We want to scan the document and save it to document folder. Select the folder. Then select scan. The document is scanning. It's processing. To view the file, select View. This is the document we scanned. To print it out, select Ctrl P. Printer is selected. Then you select number of copies. Layout, portrait. We want to print it in color. Print on one side. More settings. Select the size as A4, fit to printable area. 1 page per sheet. Then select print. The document is printing. This is the document we scanned and printed it out. This is how to connect the printer with a USB cable. Scan document and print out document. Thank you very much indeed.